So I'm working with a client and they're probably around the 10 million range. They're really looking to scale as of this moment. And they're in the space of consideration of like, where should our tech stack be? And
Yeah.
so this is opening up the question for us. They're fast food franchise locations, or they will eventually be franchised. Let me clarify. So everything is corporate currently.
Yeah.
They're building the model to go franchise. And so right now we're in this awkward phase of how do we set ourselves up for the future in the right way? Like, even if we're not going to invest in that tech stack right now, like, how do we properly set ourselves up and know, like, okay, this is enough right now to carry us into the next breakage, like into that next financial space?
Yeah. I think don't work bottom up, work top down. Okay. That's the quick answer. Quick answer is that figure out what's the most valuable thing right now.
Okay.
Usually there's some specific question that this, I mean, the tech stacks have become significantly simpler in the last, I would say, 5, 7 years than it used to be. When I was growing up, people would invest millions in tech stacks, right? There'll be like millions and millions. There is like wasteland of these tech stacks all over the industry. It's all useful
Yeah.
right now. Okay. Now you can put together a tech stack over a week if you want, right?
Yeah.
Think knowing what you're putting together is more valuable than the actual tech stack itself. Okay. Technology has gotten cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. So what's the advice? The advice is they have a specific question right now. If they are a corporate location, multi-location restaurants and whatnot, I mean, everybody has similar questions. They're trying to understand profitability. They're trying to understand what's marketing's role in driving visits and traffic and foot traffic and whatnot. How much am I investing? Should I be investing different in different locations? There is one specific question among this. It could be a specific channel investment. Hey, what should I be spending on a particular channel? Or unit economics, what is it doing at all? Or is it a particular set of locations? Or there is some specific question that they're grappling with right now. Okay. Answer that question with whatever measurement and analytics necessary. That's your way you're going to figure out what kind of underlying infrastructure is necessary for them. Typically, it's all the same thing. You need a data warehouse to grab all your data, which is very, very cheap. You can grab and throw up a Snowflake instance in over a weekend. And then you need sales data, media data, few other data sets, and then some BI and reporting. Okay, somebody who knows what they're doing can throw this together in no time. But knowing what to do with it, what decisions it's going to drive, and therefore how to use it, that's where you're going to win or lose in this conversation. And that's going to make or break the entire business case.